Hi friends, Infora brings you this beautiful mathematics lab kit which is designed for Standard 4, very purely syllabus based by Dr. Hukum Singh through ISRT, Institute of Scientific Research and Training. See, we are just unboxing this kit. All the product I am taking out from this kit, beautiful kit, paper, print, color, designs, material of plastics and the boards, everything is unique, standard and internationally. Now let us see the products, which are the materials available here is the maths project book. And this is the demonstration book for the Standard 4 of maths activity. See, the contents are here, very well mentioned, very clearly mentioned, and everything through the pages. Each student can easily understand all the works, very simply defined. This is Tallenhan, and this is about Alpha2Omega catalog, and details are there, Dr. Hukum Singh, and this is about the board. And we have now two CDs. We have the video tutorial CD. This one is a video tutorial for the Standard 4th and specially built for this is the Maths Lab special CD designed in yellow color. You can understand very clearly. Now let us go for the charts and the mathematicians photos, and we can see the beauty of 37. This is mysterious 37. We say mysterious 37, and you can say, and this is very lovely thing. And we have beauty of number 2. And we have this number 2 is beautifully arranged to learn. Another one is the magic square of 3 and 3, and this multiplication of pattern. And we have 2 pizza cuts. Now we have 2 pizza cuts, and as well as a very beautiful thing is 10 balls in 5 lines. Definitely it is very attractive. And we have the scientists like Galileo and our greatest Ramanujan. And we have the missing number chart, and as well as the chart of percent and percentage. This is very important in 4th standard, and as well as the terms of division, quotient, and we have types of numbers about Arabic numerals, Roman numerals, and ordinal numbers. These all things, see, all things are very clearly defined here. And multiplication of table is here, and we have perimeter chart. Age detector table is this. See the chart, and we have a fraction chart, and we have FEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, and multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, and this is division. This is about division in multiple colors. You can see about the division, and missing number is the final chart. And now let us go to the shapes. Now let us go to the shapes, and these shapes are beautiful and designed well. And this is the material box, which is the materials of grooved stick. This is grooved stick. This grooved stick is a very useful one, and we have plate to find perimeter. We have building blocks. See, the yellow blocks are here, and we have place value stick included. The multiplication of 9 packets. We have multiplication table here. Fraction, equivalent, scale, 3 into 3 magic. We saw already the 3 into magic. See, this is the fraction discrete and fraction kit here. Concept of division, sticks in multiplication, and tangram. So let us see a small demo about the hexagon. I will show you a hexagon demo very fast. You can see the hexagon, how it built. So kids will love definitely the shapes. So this hexagon is this green color. So these all are our products, and so let us enjoy. So that's all this. Thank you for watching this video.